Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel The Saurabh Study. This is Amit and this is a video of basic vocabularies. If you are beginners and you want to speak in English, so you must remember these basic vocabularies and try to use these vocabularies in your English speaking. No need to remember advanced vocabularies. If you are beginners, just try to remember such kinds of vocabularies so that you can easily use in your speaking. Getting my point? So let's start. Constitution संविधान, मेन स्ट्रीम मुख्य धारा, सोशल सामाजिक, हेट गिरना करना, प्रोडक्ट उपज, बाइकआउट बहिष्कार करना, क्राइम अपराध, डायरेक्ट सीधा, कास्ट जाति, बैन रोक लगाना, फाउंड ऑफ का शौकीन, शाइनिंग चमकीला, कैरी ढोना, फेयर मेला, प्रेजेंट उपहार, लवली सुंदर, बर्थडे जन्मदिन, काइंड हार्टेड दयावान, क्वाइट काफ़ी, फेवरेट बहुत प्रिय, प्लेमेट साथी, प्लेफुल चंचल, प्लेजर प्रसन्नता, रिटर्न लौटना, विट बुद्धि, वांडर घूमना, शेड छाया, नेशन राष्ट्र, ग्लूटेन, दिस इज very important, gluten, bhukkad petu खाओ, you can say but don't say, gluten, bhukkad petu and खाओ, delicate komal nazuk. So friends, these were 30 words and I have already mentioned, but at last I want to say one thing, that you are missing one thing. What you are missing? One thing, that to subscribe this channel, you can also like this video and share with your playmate, your friends. Getting my points? So I will meet in another video with another topic. Till then, keep studying, keep learning friends. Thank you.